Good day, Jeff Kitzmiller here from the National Weather Service. It is Sunday, May 1st. First off, on Monday afternoon, another cold front will come through, cause some gusty winds and thunderstorms in Idaho and Clearwater counties. And then the weather system expands through Monday night and Tuesday, so it'll be wet south of I-90. Snow levels lower to around 4,000 to 5,000 feet in Idaho and around 6,000 feet in Montana. Drier on Wednesday, warmer and still dry on Thursday until the afternoon when the next weather system arrives, and that will keep cool and wet conditions for Friday through the weekend. Looking at the overall weather pattern, there's a weather disturbance here, a little low that's moving its way out of the region. The next weather system is here. Just off the coast, and that'll wrap up into another low that works its way in. And then there's a pretty large trough off in the Pacific, and that will end up being our end of the week and next weekend weather system. Looking at the overall weather pattern, here's this high pressure that'll briefly come in for early tomorrow or early Monday. Then that low that works its way in by late Monday through Tuesday, providing rain and snow. Then we get another little ridge for the middle and for Wednesday and Thursday, followed by that switch over to more of a broad trough that'll take over the western US and cause it to be fairly wet. Tomorrow afternoon, you really see these returns that start to show up with that cold front, and it looks like when those get here, it'll be pretty gusty for portions of Idaho and Clearwater counties, and then some thunderstorms in there as well, which will enhance the winds and then cause some rain. And then once this works its way farther into the forecast area, then we'll start to see snow levels lower. Looking at some of the precipitation that we're looking for, the probability of getting at least a wetting rain, this is ending Tuesday evening, so essentially late in the day, Monday through Tuesday, and see some pretty high probabilities south of I-90 and fairly dry north of I-90. And then the probability of getting a half of an inch of moisture is mainly a little bit more in the higher elevations. Now it won't all be rain, so here are the probabilities for measurable snow. So this is looking at 1/10 of an inch of snow by Tuesday afternoon, so mainly focused on that overnight period from Monday night, Tuesday morning. Most of the snow probabilities show up in more of the higher elevations of Clearwater, Idaho counties, Bitterroot, Sapphire Mountains, down near Butte, and then Lemhi County. And then if we look at the probability of getting over 2 inches of snow, we really see this area shrink up, focuses a little farther south, and then the probability of 4 inches of snow is more in just the high terrain, and then more so in southern Lemhi County. And then looking at that end of the week and next weekend rain, here's the probability of getting wetting rains by Sunday morning. This is a 48-hour probability, and there's pretty much everybody has a fairly high probability of getting wetting rain by Sunday morning. So it's not one of these lows that'll go south this time. It looks like it'll affect more area. And then looking at our outlook, 6 to 10 days, which is May 6th through the 10th, pointing at above normal precipitation. There's pretty high probability for that. And then starting to see some probabilities of below average temperatures, which is pretty much a continuation of what we've been seeing. So for the weather impact overview in our threat matrix here, we're first highlighting that wind and thunderstorm threat in north central Idaho and a little bit of wind in western Montana. And then we start to see that snow become more of a focus, and we have the snow and passes north central Idaho, northwest Montana on Tuesday, and then snow down into southwest Montana. Then the next day of focus will be some increased wind ahead of the cold front on Thursday. If you have any questions, please let us know.